Hi! Today we're going to make some cute animal envelopes. You can write a little message inside and you can even address it and send it to a friend. And here are some of the options you could make. So here you can see I made a mouse, a fox, a bird, and a bear. Maybe you can think of something else. And all you need for this project is a piece of plain copier paper and scissors, crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and a black pen. First thing we do is take our copier paper, which is a rectangle, and turn it into a square. And to do that, we fold over a triangle until it just leaves this extra strip of paper that we don't need, and we can just cut that off. Then you take your triangle and fold it in half into a smaller triangle. And then open that triangle back up and take the top tip of your triangle and fold half of it down on itself, like this. And then you come in at the sides and fold it over on top of itself. And it doesn't have to be exact, but something like this. And then do the same on the other side. So there, now it's starting to look like an envelope. Then you take this little triangle here and fold it back on itself. This is going to be the nose or the beak, like that. And then if you let it stick up a little, you can open it up and it makes a little pocket for the flap of the envelope to fold into. And it also makes the animal's nose. And then you take the top triangle and fold it down, and it really looks like an envelope now. And you can tuck this part into the little pocket we've made. And there, we've got a little envelope. And now it's time to decorate it. So you can make big eyes or little eyes, whatever you like. Sometimes I don't know really what I'm going to do until after it's done. And there you go. Have fun making as many different kinds of animals as you can think of. Bye-bye.